Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into Assetto Corsa. I'll show you how to easily switch your speedometer from kilometers per hour to miles per hour, mph. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how you experience the game. Let's get started. First, understand why you might want to change it. For those of us more familiar with the imperial system, seeing kilometers per hour can be confusing. Switching to mph makes speed judgments much easier. Now, let's go through the steps. 1. Locate the Assetto Corsa configuration file. First, you need to find the right file. Navigate to your Assetto Corsa installation folder. This is usually in your Steam library. Look for a folder called System. Inside System, you will find another folder called CFG. Inside CFG is a file named assetto_corsa.ini. This is the file we need to edit. 2. Open the configuration file. Open assetto_corsa.ini with a text editor. Notepad or Notepad++ will work perfectly. Be careful when editing this file. Mistakes can cause the game to malfunction. 3. Find the Options section. Scroll down until you find a section labeled Options. It's usually near the top of the file. Look carefully, you don't want to accidentally change anything else. 4. Change the use_mph value. Under the Options section, look for the line use_mph equals 0. This line controls whether the game uses kilometers per hour or miles per hour. To switch to mph, change the value from 0 to 1. The line should now read use_mph equals 1. 5. Save the file. Once you've made the change, save the assetto_corsa.ini file. Make sure you save it as the same file type, .ini. Overwriting the original file is crucial. 6. Launch Assetto Corsa. Now, launch Assetto Corsa. Go into a race or a practice session. You should see that your speedometer now displays miles per hour instead of kilometers per hour. 7. Troubleshooting. If the change doesn't take effect, double-check that you edited the correct file. Also, ensure that you saved the file correctly. Sometimes, the game might not read the changes if the file is corrupted. In this case, you might need to verify the game files through Steam. Another thing to consider is mods. Some mods might override this setting. Try disabling any recently installed mods to see if that resolves the issue. Additionally, make sure you have the latest version of Assetto Corsa installed. Updates can sometimes affect configuration files. That's it. You've successfully changed your speedometer in Assetto Corsa from kilometers per hour to mph. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or by buying some merchandise. It helps us create more content like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.